Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Now, with summer comes in the cravings for beaches, ice creams, but it unfortunately also brings in hair frizziness. While it's super fun to soak up the sun, but it can really convert our beautiful smooth locks into tangled mess. Whether we are excited about managing our smooth locks or just embracing our natural beach waves, it is extremely crucial to manage the frizz, especially during the summer season. So let's see how we can tackle the issue of hair frizz during this time of the season. The first tip is to use gentle solutions. Now, what happens is a lot of times while you are washing your hair, often your hair can really become very dry and very brittle because a lot of these hair care ranges have alcohol in it, which is not really good for the hair. So it can really dry out the hair, taking up all the moisture from your mane. Opt for the Bee Blunt Intense Moisture Shampoo for deep nourishment. It is powered with jojoba oil, vitamin E, and shine tonic. Jojoba oil acts as a natural moisturizer that nourishes and strengthens the hair to make it soft. Vitamin E hydrates, rejuvenates dry, flaky scalp. And the shine tonic adds a glossy shine to your hair. So all you have to do is just take a little bit of it, massage it really well into your entire hair and scalp before you rinse off with plain water. This has really helped me prevent frizz from my hair, making my hair much more smoother, much more manageable and frizz-free. Now usually the pH of healthy hair is anywhere between 4.5 to 5.5. The pH of dull, dry and frizzy hair becomes alkaline. So I'm going to show you a quick test. So I'm going to take two bowls. I'm dropping 2 pumps of shampoo into the left bowl, mixing it with some water, and the right bowl has plain soap water. I'm dipping a yellow pH strip in each of the bowls. So now if you can see, the right strip has turned dark while the left strip is still yellow, which means that the Bee Blunt Intense Moisture Shampoo falls in the ideal pH level range, which is 5.5. So if you use this, the pH of your hair will come back to normal, making it much more smoother, manageable and frizz-free. The second tip is to never skip a conditioner. Now, a lot of you may think that skipping a conditioner is something which is not a big deal, but it truly is. Because if you are using a frizz-free shampoo, then it's equally important to use a conditioner for the same purpose. Because using a shampoo is just not enough. So I would highly recommend you all to follow it up with the Bee Blunt Intense Moisture Conditioner to your washing routine. This definitely keeps your hair smoother and keeps the frizz away from your hair. Also, only apply conditioner from mid-lengths to the ends of your hair to prevent your scalp from getting too oily. Both the Bee Blunt Intense Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner are recommended by experts. Now the third tip, after immediately you wash your hair, is to use a microfiber towel. To combat frizz-free hair, make sure to use a microfiber towel or a turban, because the traditional towels can really make your hair rough, causing friction which can create a lot of frizz and further on can also damage your hair. Instead, gently squeeze out excess moisture and then wrap your hair until it's dry with a microfiber towel. I have an excellent 20% coupon code for you all to avail. It can be availed on Bee Blunt's official website. However, these products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Purple.com. I will have all the links in the description box below, so definitely check them out. Now another great tip is to use a hair mask. I love using a homemade remedy for this. Just whipping up some olive oil, honey, yogurt and a little bit of lemon. Create a mask out of it and just use it twice a week in order to fight the frizziness. This 2-minute magic mask provides up to 2 times smoothness for frizz-free hair, reducing frizz for smoother, healthier looking locks. And last but not the least, definitely make use of a hair serum. Hair serums add a lot of shine to the hair while they also shield your hair from humidity, which will further on protect your hair from getting frizzy. While it won't fix the damage, hair serums for frizzy hair does protect the hair from environmental factors, the damage from heating tools, and holds on to the moisture. To prevent frizzy hair, a lot of care and hydration is essential. So follow these tips and I'm sure these are going to be helpful to you. I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.